Right? You're under arrest over here.
What are you thinking?
Don't grab my shit.
On January 10th, 2022, police conducted a traffic stop in Joliet, Illinois, due to its departure from the scene of an accident, hit and run. When asked to show her driver's license and insurance, the driver refused to provide such documents.
Hello. Were you just in an accident back there? You sure?
Accident?
Yeah, over there on South Hames Street. Okay, do you have your driver's license and insurance card on me? I just need to see your driver's license and insurance card, man. Yes, so you were involved in an accident just back there. We have your license plate, your vehicle description, you're on camera, and you have damage on your vehicle, and then you just left the area. So we're just trying to get your information for the accident, and then we'll send you on your way, okay? So I just need to see your driver's license and your insurance card.
At this point, the other police officer tries to open the vehicle's door from the passenger side, infuriating the woman behind the wheel.
Girl, why is you trying to open my door?
Ma'am, you need to give us your driver's license and your insurance card.
You would have no right to be my father. She trying to...
Ma'am, it's just an accident. Don't turn this into something else.
What accident?
You were involved in an accident. You got to come off of that. You got to come off of that, okay? You were involved in the accident. We have to take your information. What's your first name? Don't turn this into something that you don't need it to be, okay? Let me tell you something.
You're turning it into something.
Ma'am,
why did you
we need to take... I already explained it to you. We need your driver's license and your insurance card. Or what's going to happen is you're going to end up going to jail. I already explained. Do you want me to explain it to you for the third time? Okay. You were involved in an accident on South Hames Street. You left the scene of that accident. We have your license plate. You have damage to your vehicle. We need your driver's license and your insurance card for the accident report, and then we can send you on your way. If you refuse that, you can go to jail. So it's your choice.
Do what you gotta do.
I'm just asking for your driver's license and your insurance card. That's all you got to do. Do you have that on you?
What accident are you talking about?
The one that you were just involved in. Now, you don't have to keep doing this.
Okay, we can. We're going to continue.
Okay. Okay, how about this?
I wasn't in no accident.
I need your driver's license, your insurance card, or you're going to go to jail.
You pulled me over for no reason.
I already explained to you the reason.
Yo.
So, I need your driver's license and your insurance card, or you can go to jail for obstructing the police. It's your call. Are you refusing to open the window? Because I think you know what's going to happen if you do that. And you don't need to turn that into something.
You pulled me over for what?
You want me to explain it to you for the fifth time?
Yep.
Okay.
Why you ain't get on me back in?
For the fifth time,
So wait.
you were involved in an accident, you fled the scene, and now you're refusing to give me your driver's license and your insurance card. So I need to see your driver's license and your insurance card, or you'll go to jail for obstructing the police. I'll tow your car and impound it. Well, you're going to unlock it for me, or I'm going to break the window. Yeah.
For what?
Because you're refusing to give me your driver's license and your insurance card.
That you can't.
Well, I know I can.
Can't you, dumb?
So are you refusing to open your window?
Refuse.
Okay. So at this point, you're under arrest. I need you to get out of the car, or I'm going to break the window and take you out.
Why are you pulling me over?
I already explained it to her past that.
Shut the fuck up.
All right, if you don't get out of the car, I'm going to break the window.
Hey, ma'am. What are you doing here on the scene? Otherwise, we're gonna be down at the station. It's up to you.
This shit is dumb as fuck.
Okay. All right.
What did I do?
It's going to come. I've been here for 10 minutes trying to get it through. Can you shut the car off at least so we don't turn this into something that it doesn't have to be?
After numerous requests for the driver's license and insurance by the officer, and her subsequent refusal, he places her under arrest. She then decides to roll down the window but continues to refuse to cooperate.
I just don't want to just 10-0 with just stand around the car, okay?
Thank you. Can you turn the car off? Thank you. Can you give me your driver's license and your insurance card?
What you think he's front of you?
I'm just asking for your driver's license and your insurance card.
Are you dead ass serious? You finna act like that's what you've been asking me for this whole time?
What have I been asking
Shut
you
the
for?
fuck up. Like, stop.
Okay, I need
Stop.
your driver's license and your insurance card. It's just an accident. Don't turn it. So he should tell you then that you should give me your driver's
so why
license.
the entire fucking
And what do you say right now if you're acting like this?
Okay, why am I pulled over right now?
For the accident.
Sixth
you were
time?
in.
You want to go 6? You were involved in an accident. You left the scene. I found your car. You have damage to the front of your car. All this is an accident report, ma'am. Don't turn this into anything else.
Don't turn it into something else.
It's an accident report. We need your stuff for the report, and then you're on your way.
It's your word against the other driver's word. That's all we're looking at, man. You're making this far too difficult on yourself.
I understand.
On yourself.
I understand.
Okay?
No,
Why don't
I
you just give them your
understand.
license, your insurance. They can relay that over the other
Can y'all go to them?
We already have it on with them.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Go to them.
That's why we're here.
I have nothing else to talk about. I'm good.
I need your driver's license and your insurance card.
I don't have none of that.
You don't have your license,
No.
right? No, your
I
insurance
don't
card.
have it.
Okay, I need you to step out of the car.
Why?
Because I need you to step out of the
Why?
car, because now you're under arrest for obstructing the police. Okay?
Man,
You want to
get the
turn
fuck
that into that? We can turn it into that.
Just get your license, get the insurance, get an ID, whatever you got. Just provide it. It's Monday. We're not trying to make it any more difficult than it is.
I didn't do anything.
Okay,
I'm
Well, now you're
fine.
doing something. Give us your license and your insurance card so we can get this on the report and get you the hell out of here.
Why are you opening my door?
Right.
Don't touch shit.
I'm not going to touch shit,
No,
but I need you to
open my
give me your
door.
driver's license and your insurance.
I am, but
Okay.
don't touch my door. Why are you doing that?
I've explained it to you already.
It don't matter. Fucking
Then
thing.
act like it.
So you need to act
act
like
like
it. Don't touch shit.
Give me your
Why are
driver's
you
license
opening?
and your insurance card.
Man, what's up?
While the woman is searching for the documents to show the officer, he takes advantage of the situation to open the door and subsequently handcuff her.
You want to take me to jail?
No, I
Take
don't
me
wanna
to jail.
take you
Don't
to jail.
touch me.
Don't step in my face.
At this point, just step to the side of the car. This is in the way it's supposed to go. All right?
Exactly.
Man. All right, you're under arrest.
over here.
What are you thinking? Don't grab my shit.
I ain't trying nothing.
Got a wrist? You got a wrist? No. You got it, Bobby? Bobby, I'm not letting go until you have it.
Stop resisting.
You a dumb bitch.
Stop resisting.
Ain't nobody resisting.
Stop resisting.
You just you must be a rookie.
Me?
You must be a rookie. You must be a rookie. The fuck out my face. You feel good? You feel good? You still gotta fight, coach. Bitch.
I got this. No, it's the other one. I got a wrist.
He
I got
dumb. You dumb. Like,
Come on, let's go. Gotta stand up, okay? Stand up. Stand up.
Ma'am, roll to your knees. And then
Come on. Up on your feet. Yep. Come on. Slip your shoes on your feet. You want your phone? This your phone?
yeah, happy.
All right. Step up. If you want your phone, step on your shoes.
Y'all.
That's fine.
I ain't do nothing to y'all.
That's
for real.
fine. That's fine. Slip your shoes on. You want them or no? It's up
Now
to
you
you.
take me to jail for what?
I'll put them in the car.
Take me to jail for what?
Stop. Don't start.
See? Back to your car. You ain't shit. It don't matter. Press here, no. off.
Ambulance 5's been around.
All right, go ahead and get in.
All right, come on. Stinks.
Man, leave me alone. Y'all had no right to arrest me.
Ma'am, you gotta get in the car.
Man, ouch!
Hop in, let's go.
Man, get me the fuck out of here. Y'all had no right to arrest me.
Ma'am, you gotta get in the car. I'm gonna go around the other side.
No, you don't.
21.
Leave me alone.
Come on. You have to get in the car.
20 got me.
Let's go. Come on.
You guys on charges? Obstructing now.
You sit up.
One for obstructing. Lincoln 23.
At this point, the woman is taken to the police station, where she begins to realize that she will likely end up in jail for the offenses committed that day.
Oh, well, she's probably intoxicated. She was wrestling with us a little bit. She was in an accident, hit and run, refusing to get out of the car, so. All right, Brittany, so we're gonna take inside fingerprints, pictures, and if you're cool with that, I'll take it.
Don't take me home.
I promise you I will, but you gotta promise me that you'll be cool with this. You just gotta take your picture and fingerprints.
If you're cool, you're going to get recocked in. You'll be on and out.
Because did I do anything? I don't want to go to jail.
No, we don't want you to take you to jail. This is just a misdemeanor. That's a
Okay.
bullshit ass misdemeanor.
Okay.
You'll be out here in an hour.
So I'm not going to jail.
No, this is the police station. This is
Y'all
the Joliet
promise
police.
y'all not finna put me in
Look,
jail.
you're on camera. You're on camera, okay? I can't lie to you on camera.
Yeah, I'm dead ass serious. I didn't do
You got to
anything.
get some picture prints
Y'all-
inside.
Fingerprints and picture, and then we
Y'all,
got to do
no,
paperwork.
you're not finna take no
Brittany,
picture. I didn't do
we have
anything.
to. You're under arrest.
Nope.
It's part of the booking procedure. Listen
Nope.
to me. Listen to me, girlfriend. Listen to me.
Y'all finna put me
Do
on
not
the
walk your way into a felony, okay? Don't do
What?
that. Refusing this is a felony. We're trying to get you out of here. We ain't trying to.
Brittany faced serious charges, including aggravated assault on a police officer and obstruction of justice. Additionally, she was accused of leaving the scene of an accident, driving with a suspended license, and resisting, all considered misdemeanor offenses. She was fined $1,620. Upon transfer to the police precinct, she declined to undergo booking procedures and was subsequently taken to the county jail. Her bail was set at $50,000 with a 10% bond. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more content.